Welcome back to day 12 of the shadowing challenge. Today, you'll learn 20 simple, polite phrases you can use in difficult situations. Shadow with me in 3 paces, very slow, slow, and medium, and feel your confidence grow. I understand. Let's fix this together. I understand. Let's fix this together. I understand. Let's fix this together. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your patience. Let's take a moment to think. Let's take a moment to think. Let's take a moment to think. I hear you. I hear you. I hear you. I see your point. I see your point. I see your point. Let me check and get back to you. Let me check and get back to you. Let me check and get back to you. Can we try another way? Can we try another way? Can we try another way? I'm afraid I can't do that right now. I'm afraid I can't do that right now. I'm afraid I can't do that right now. Here's what I can do. Here's what I can do. Here's what I can do. Let's stay calm and talk. Let's stay calm and talk. Let's stay calm and talk. I understand this is difficult. I understand this is difficult. I understand this is difficult. Thank you for telling me. Thank you for telling me. Thank you for telling me. I didn't mean to cause trouble. I didn't mean to cause trouble. I didn't mean to cause trouble. Let's find a solution. Let's find a solution. Let's find a solution. I need a little more time. I need a little more time. I need a little more time. Can we talk about this later? Can we talk about this later? Can we talk about this later? I respect your opinion. I respect your opinion. I respect your opinion. I'm trying my best to help. I'm trying my best to help. I'm trying my best to help. Let's focus on the next step. Let's focus on the next step. Let's focus on the next step. Great job completing day 12 of the shadowing challenge. Keep practicing these polite phrases. They will help you stay calm and confident in real conversations. Join me tomorrow for day 13. You're getting better every single day.